Hello everyone, today we have a 2003 Ford F-150. It's the Harley Davidson Edition, rear wheel drive and clean title. It has a supercharged 5.4 liter engine. It is running smooth as could be, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take it for a tour. See, it does have alloy wheels that are chromed, and then it has a bed cover that is carpeted inside. Got the bed rug, and that is a rear locking system as well. Bumper pull tow package. Power sliding back window. So it does have fog lights up front. We'll go ahead and take a tour of the interior. So it does have black and gray leather seats. Sunroof. Go ahead and give you a shot of this VIN right here. There we go. Okay. As you look down here, you'll see that it has 134,618 miles in this vehicle, and those numbers don't flicker at all to the human eye. That's the refresh rate of the camera that's doing that. It's got cruise control as well. Come over here. Alright, and I'll go ahead and turn these lights off so that we can see these, but you see that it does have AM and FM and CD. And then here are your comfort controls, and there's your Harley plate right here, and stowage, cup holders, and Harley branding everywhere. You do have a compass right here, and your controls for your sunroof. Okay, that about wraps it up for this Harley edition on the interior. As I mentioned, this vehicle does have a clean title. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.